crazy, but Jane Brown believes that her boyfriend, who died 3 years ago, has been reincarnated in the form of a rat and refuses to leave her home. Hi guys, welcome to Brains at the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So let's get into this star. And it says, call her crazy, but Jane Brown believes that her boyfriend, who died 3 years ago, has been reincarnated in the form of a rat and refuses to leave her home. Brown, who hails from Spanish Town, said she lost her boyfriend to illness and she has been missing him ever since. She said that there are days she still cries herself to sleep, but never in her wildest dreams did she think that he would come back to her in a creature that gives her the creeps. Him come in my house from last Christmas and all me I try get him out him now come out, she said. When asked how she knew it was him, she said that she just has the feeling because a rat has never entered her home. Alright, so because one rat never enter your home, that means say yo man, we're dead. Anyways, she said that her suspicion grew when she tried every trick in the book to get the rat out of the house, but to no availability. Sometimes me I wonder if I may cause him to come here. Me I wonder when me see it, me frighten and jump up in the oven so me light it. Me hear squealing and bawling, so me think the rat dead, only to open the oven and see nothing, she said. Brown told the Star that 2 days later the rat emerged. She described the rat saying it was as big as the palm of her hand and said that she tried killing it with food but did not work. That didn't work either. Me crush up glass buckle fine, mix it up with some mackerel and leave it on the counter. When me wake up, me frightened to see the counter with the glass and not the mackerel. Nobody can tell me say the rat here no one stay in my house, she said. Brown stated that she believed that the morning of her former lover gave him the impression that she was inviting him in. If you ask me, because me bad over him, me miss him, and in all honesty though, me no know no rat in my house, so me woulda like if him come out so me can go back to living without a haunting rat, she said. Let's read some of these comments. So him come back to watch the poems, buy some rat poison and give the man, I mean the rat, LOL. The lady needs a lot of help, some counseling, wow. High level of ignorance. Get a cat and see if it will stay. A load of people with mental issues occupy Jamaica these days. Somebody say get a puss. With everything we're going in Jamaica, we need a little laughter. How what this woman said the man come back in the form of a rat? I thought it would be a bat. Who think the same as me? Honestly, I don't know if to tell her. Get some rat trap, put it all over your house. A lot of Jamaican people believe in stuff like this, and I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm speechless. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.